Hey guys, do you want to know how to get AI chatbot on Snapchat? In this video, I'll show you how to easily and quickly get this AI bot that can respond to your messages in real time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, you simply have to head towards your Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar icon at the top right corner of the screen and simply search for Snapchat. After that, here you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of the Snapchat app. If you have an update available for the Snapchat app, go ahead and update it because this AI chatbot is new feature in Snapchat. Once you have updated the app, just go back and open it up. Tap on your Bitmoji profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. In order to get this new AI chatbot, you need a Snapchat Plus. So the Snapchat Plus is a paid subscription service. You have two different pricing plans. So first of all, the Snapchat subscription is not available in my country, but if it is available in your country, it will give you two different pricing plans. You can either pay per month or get a little discount by paying for the whole year. Snapchat Plus does offer a variety of different features along with the AI chatbot for that price. So if you are interested in that, you can simply purchase it. If you want a free AI chatbot, then you can use ChatGPT, which won't cost a cent. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.